Hello guys, welcome to your trading channel. In this video we will grow account with proper analysis, from which you will get to learn a lot and you too can use this strategy easily. You will feel better after watching this video. You just have to practice on some patterns and apply that pattern in trade. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel so that you will get to see such videos in future also. I have $5,000 in this account, which we will try to grow in high volatility pair. I hope you learned something. First we will apply trade today. We will trade with large lot size, which I am using 1.00 lots. I have already calculated this lot size and placed it on the babypips.com. You can also do it. I am giving its link in the description box. See you in a while. Guys, I am currently running $124 loss. If we lose this trade, never mind, loss is part of the game if your risk management and psychology is good, so no one can stop you to grow your account. Let me explain to you the reason why I applied sell trade. Strong trend of the market is uptrend anyway, we went to the sell. Here we can have 2 to 3 reasons for our trade today. We are trading gold versus US dollar, which is highly volatile pair. If we see the market pattern here, the proper is going up, making the price action where we can clearly see the higher high, higher low points of the market. Let me explain you by drawing the level. For this we will first create a trend channel. First take the trend line and place it on the higher low of the uptrend. This first trend line should be the right place, as the second trend line will be drawn at the same angle to the higher high, from which we will get strong trend channel. Now we will take another trend and place it on the higher high of the uptrend. Keep in mind here that cover as many points as possible, so that we can get the right analysis. Here you can see the clear trend channel. The market is going up by making proper higher high, higher low here. This is a strong uptrend. This is where the market gave a breakout on the trend line that broke our strong uptrend channel and went down, forming a small consolidation zone where the market will change its trend. Earlier it was in an uptrend. Now the market will go into a downtrend. That's why we have taken sell trade here on trend reversal, and here we got a good sell indication by which we can grow our account. Let me now create support resistance level from rectangle tool. The market has reversed multiple times at this point because this is a strong reversal level in the market. Here we see another reversal level where the market has repeatedly taken resistance. Let me tell you by draw so that you will understand easily. We'll use rectangle tool again for this. This is also a strong support resistance level of the market. Surely the market must have taken multiple support and multiple resistance in history here, due to which we are seeing a reversal here as well. Here the market took 3-time resistance and went down, from which we are seeing the reversal candle. Here also the market took double resistance and went down, which created the reversal candle here. Here the market broke the same resistance and made support. Here also the market has taken support at the same level, and we can see the market moving to higher levels. Here also the market took multiple time support and went up, or our second strong support resistance level is. Here also the market will take a resistance and a good downward move can be seen. We have also applied trade in the same direction. High percentage chance the market will go down from here, because the market has broken the trend line as well as the strong support resistance level on the downside. If the market goes according to our setup here, so we can expect good profit. Let us now draw the consolidation zone with arrow line so that we can understand the market pattern in a better way, and in future also you can trade well on such pattern, because the market always repeats its history, which allows us to see the same pattern. Here we will take the arrow line. The market first entered the consolidation zone from here and went up, brought resistance from above and come down, due to which we can see red candle. From here the market took support on the minor support and went up to the upper level. From here the market come down with resistance where we had a strong support resistance level. Taking support from here the market went up again where our second strong support resistance level was. From here the market again took resistance and come down, took support again and moved upwards to take resistance. Here come down taking resistance at last, also broke the strong trend line and broke this level here too, from which we got a strong indication that the market will go down from here. The market has just come up to retest the breakout of the strong support resistance level where we have applied selling trade at the right place. We have completed our analysis. All our levels are working properly, where you can see how the market has given consolidation breakout. Now let's put stop loss and target point. Now we have no work left. Here we will follow our rules very well so that we can reach our target easily without any hassle. Here my stop loss will be inside the consolidation zone and outside the trend channel, which is 50 pips above the trade. If there is a fake breakout, then the market will go back to the consolidation zone, and our target point will be at the new lower low, which will be 100 pips below our trade. If the market moves according to our setup, we will make a good profit. Guys, the market has been going against us since we placed the trade. Here we have followed proper risk according to me, where I already know my losses. You can take risk according to your capital. Our stop loss and target point are well applied. Now you must be understanding very well that where is our exit point. We have to have a lot of patience here. Market can hit our target anytime, whether it is in 2 to 3 hours or in 2 to 3 days, but we will not close trade before stop loss and target are hit. You can't achieve a big target until you take a risk. You have to be patient after taking the trade. Everything will be done by that. Our entry here is at the right time, because of which we are likely to minimize the loss and the potential for profit is high. Now we wait till when the market hits our target. Let's meet after some time. Till then, enjoy the video. Guys, our target is hit. The market went down very well and achieved our goal. Here our setup worked properly. The market reacted as we analyzed. We did the analysis in the right direction, due to which we were able to reach our target. This is the real breakout of the market, which has already given us the indication, because the market broke the trend line as well as the consolidation zone, due to which the market changed its trend and achieved our target. Here our risk was around $2,000. What we already calculated. Let's close the trade now so that we can follow our rules better. Guys, here our profit is running $3,928, which is the result of our patience. We could have closed the trade before profit hit, but we waited for the target to hit. The result is in front of you. See you after closing the trade. I have $5,000 deposit with us, which we have grown $9,998 from proper technical analysis, which is double amount of our account. Here we captured a nice move to the downside, more than we expected. We maintained our psychology well here, because the market come up to retest. The market reversed from where we had drawn a strong support resistance level. Now let's do further analysis, by which it will be easier for you to understand more. You can also draw such levels. I'm deleting these arrow lines so that our chart is clearly visible. It doesn't work anymore. Here we will again draw the third strong support resistance level. For this we'll use the rectangle tool again and put it here, because the market has taken multiple reverse at this level, and we are also seeing a lot of multiple resistance, multiple support, where earlier this level was resistance, later it was broken and made support. That's the way the market works. That's the nature of the market, which he keeps repeating. You have to work only on such patterns where there are more chances of profit and the chances of losing are less, so that you too can become profitable trader. Here the market will break this level and go down, because the current trend in the market is downtrend. If this does not happen, then the market will reverse and go up from here. Here anything can happen in both the conditions. You have to wait till the third strong support resistance level break here. Here whenever you get to see the breakout, you can apply trade on the downside. If you like the video, then like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. You can make a good profit by doing this simple analysis. You just have to practice on such patterns for a few days and apply it on your setup if your risk management and psychology is right, so you can easily profit in the market. If you want more Forex market strategy, then you can visit my channel, where you will find a lot of candlestick pattern, trendline, breakout, support, resistance strategies in different playlists. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.